Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get the duffel bag in GTA 5 online the right way. I will explain where it actually comes from and how the players unlock it and what you should know before trying without using any glitches or any risky exploits that can get patched or punished. So first of all, you need to understand that the duffel bag is a special outfit item in GTA Online. Now, it is not normally found in the regular clothing stores like other bags. This is why players search for it so much. So the most reliable way to get it is through the missions and the heist related activities where your character wears it as a part of the job. Now, the duffel bag is often attached to the heist setups, contact missions, and the event missions. When these missions are active, your character automatically wears the bag during the objective, such as carrying the cash or supplies. Now, Rockstar rotates the special missions and the events, so you can watch for the updates when the duffel bag outfit shows up again as reward. Now, from time to time, Rockstar also includes the duffel bag as a part of the limited time unlocks and the event clothing, especially during the DLC releases and the seasonal updates. So, when these events are active, you can unlock the versions of the duffel bag by completing the changes ties to those events. A very important point here that I would like to mention, most of the online tutorials use glitches to basically force save the bag to outfits. So these involves abusing the mission bugs or any kind of mask glitches. So these methods can break the outfit, get patched suddenly, and violate the online terms. That's why I'm not showing those steps over here. The safest way to enjoy the duffel bag is wait for the official event unlocks, play the heist setup that use a duffel bag outfit, and also save any legitimately unlocked outfits when Rockstar allows it in the events. Meanwhile, if you simply want to look, you can build similar outfits with the utility vests with the help of the regular bags that are already available in the clothing stores without needing any exploits. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.